In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create or add a new wallet inside of Bybit. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Bybit on your smartphone device like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to Web3. Then from here, you need to scroll down to your menu bar and down to wallet. Then from here, you see something like this. Then from here, you need to go up to this sub menu up here to where it says wallet and add wallets. Then from here, you can either create a new wallet, you can import your wallet, or you can make a watch-only wallet. If I want to create one, I can simply click here. Then you got 3 opportunities. You can either make a seed phrase, a keyless wallet, or a cloud wallet. And in this tutorial, I will just make a cloud wallet because that's the easiest one. So click one, and then it should have made a new wallet, but because I've already done that, it cannot do that again. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!